my channel, and today is whatever day. Talk about whatever. So if you want to know more about me, just keep watching. Today is whatever day. I just wanted to just chit chat with you guys and ladies about moi, you know. Sometimes people put posts about products, about everyday thing. Well, today is about me. Let's talk about me. Okay. Haven't you walked around sometime and you just out of nowhere, and then you have like the song in your head, and you're like, and then you just sing it, and you're like, ugh, I can't get it off my head, right? And it's like, I have this song in my head. Vuelves, vuelve a mis brazos otra vez. Vuelve que te esperaré en el mismo lugar. It's a song, a Spanish song that I can't get off my head. It's like, you could just walk with your kids, or at work, and then all of a sudden you got that song in your head, and you're like, I can't get it off my head. Well, that's one of those songs. And then I have another song. Él tenía razón, que debe encontrar otro mejor. I have that song where Karol G, I can't get that song off my head. I don't know. Every time I'm on my phone, you know, listen to music on my phone, I connect to Spotify, it's like I have it there. My son, he just be playing it over and over. How am I gonna get that off my head if my son keeps playing it over and over, you know? I also wanted to talk to you about Crush Crew Apparel. So far, I'm not done with it yet. I have to do some updates on the website, and also I have to publish the website in 2 newspapers. I haven't done it yet. I'm gonna say I'm gonna get to it, but I have to get to it, so I haven't got to it yet. And you know, my sister's like, don't forget, you know. It's like when you're running around doing different things, it's just, you know, you tend to like put it to the side, and you know, even though I know I have to do it, I will. I have a giveaway going on. You can check it out on NY Mom Style. You can check on the link below. It ends October 30th, and you can also find the giveaway on Crush Crew Apparel Instagram page. I'm gonna leave the link below. There's a form in NY Mom Style on a post. You'll see it there, so you can enter the giveaway there for you who want to get 2 t-shirts, and you can win it. What else? Let's see. I don't know if you've seen the previous video of my mom. She was born in the Dominican Republic. My father was born in Cuba, in Havana, Cuba. I was born here in New York, so I'm American. I was born here, so okay. I have 3 beautiful boys. You didn't see the video before. 15, 13, and 10-year-old. So they're all 3 boys, handsome boys. I have done video on my previous video with my youngest one is 10, and he's at the beach, just having fun. What else? Trying to think of what else. When I'm gonna launch the Crush Crew Apparel, I have to set that and finish what I gotta do, and then I will launch the website and then go from there. Let's see what else. What should I say? I used to do a PA for my son's school back then. Now since my son graduated and he went to middle school, so I don't do it anymore. You have to be in the school to do that. I was doing volunteer there just to help out. I like helping out. I always, you know, like helping people, so I try to go around doing that as I could. What else? My kids, they have good grades. They're really smart. My little one, he's a little delayed. My other 2, they are very smart. You know, my son is smart too. My little one, he's just a little delayed, and he has has signs of autism, but I don't know if later on he gets older, how is he gonna be, but only time will tell. So that is something, I just don't worry about, because I know my son and I know how he is. You know your kids, so you know how smart they are and stuff, so I'm not too worried about it. He's progressing and learning in school, so he's doing pretty good. What else? Trying to think of what else to say. Basically, so far, my favorite food is lasagna. I love eating salad, chicken salad. I guess pretty much any salad that tastes good, because I love salad. I love roses. Doesn't really matter what color roses, but I love roses. It's my favorite thing. Red, pink, yellow. It doesn't matter. I just love the smell of it. What else? Let's see. With my kids, I like spending time with my kids. I like going to the boardwalk just to let them play in the sand, because they love that. Just go for the walk, catch the breeze and the sun, which is wonderful. Being outside, just for my kids to have fun. What else? My kids love rides. Of course, they love Chuck E. Cheese. What kid doesn't love Chuck E. Cheese? They love that, of course. Let's see. Pretty much, that's what my kids really like doing. They like going to rides. Basically, kids love rides. So, try to take them different places for them to have fun. And also, I want them to experience other things. So, I'm going to be looking into that. See if they can experience other things, because, kids love to try different things. So, I'm going to plan different things with the kids. Let's see. Do you have any questions below about me? Because I know some of you may have a few questions. Let's see, I have a t-shirt right here. I just created this just to have it, but tank tops are not available. I just did it to see. I'm thinking of it, to bring in tank tops, Crush Crew Apparel, and also fitness apparel for women, because it's good to stay fit and take care of yourself. Let's see, I have this, the selenite. The selenite is very good for meditation, good to cleanse yourself. You can say to clear your energy, better yet, not, well, you can also clean your aura, you clean your energy. You can meditate, and if you start from here, go up as you're blowing out. You can take out energies. It depends if you're experienced. If you don't have that much experience, you feel the flow of the energy going through your body. You feel like this flow in and out. That's what it feels like. This is selenite, is to be known like angel crystal, connected to the angels, which is, this crystal is great to cleanse, clear negativity. This is great to have. When you're cleansing yourself, you have to visualize, like, also helps to picture like a light flowing from your feet going up. Make sure you see it from all the way up to your knees, going up, 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 and then while it raises up, you have to breathe out. And you let it out. That's how you let it out. And that's how you clear your energy. And for your third eye, to open it, to help you open it, you have to visualize your third eye. You have to, like, when you're going out, just like expand a little bit and just feel that pressure there and force it out, like when you're blowing out. Also, you can go like this. Like this, it helps to open. This also helps to open to here, to the other side. Go out, breathe in. It helps to calm you. If you're anxious, if you're stressed, you have anxiety, it helps. So remember, I said before in the other video, it helps when you're outdoors. That breeze, the sun also helps to clear out the energy, clean your energy when you feel like negative energy. Because remember, you're around people sometimes that have negative energy, either the evil eye, negative energy, you clear it out by doing that. So I hope this helps, so you know. Let's see what else. I'm thinking probably of caps for men. I have to think of the design, either Crush Crew Apparel or doing something different, or either perfume trying to bring to the website. So I have to see what other things I'll be bringing to Crush Crew Apparel. So I am gonna go for now. If you have any questions or anything you want to know, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click on the notification bell so you know when I am on. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.